New tonight, tenant advocates say the housing crisis unfolding after the statewide eviction moratorium ended is disproportionately affecting minority communities.
The number of people now facing eviction in Marion County alone is in the hundreds. ITMate's Julia Dang tracking the cases tonight. Julia.
Hey there, Brooke. Court records indicate at least 600 eviction complaints have now been filed in Marion County since the moratorium ended Friday. During the same period last year, there were 82 small claims filings of any kind countywide.
We have an exceptionally high eviction rate here. This is only going to get worse.
The eviction moratorium in Indiana ended 6 days ago. 6 days from now, the statewide rental assistance program is set to end.
Ideally, the program wouldn't end.
Nonprofit think tank director Molly Martin anticipates a growing gap in racial economic inequity that could have a multi-generational impact.
When we talk about African Americans and Latino families, we know that it is harder to maintain housing, not because of anything they have done, but because there are systemic biases in these processes. Banking, borrowing, the way landlords treat people, the way landlords hand out information.
Longtime property manager Brad Grayson is president of the Bartholomew County Landlord Association.
We still have to pay the bills.
He supports lifting the moratorium. His company is now filed for eviction against 3 tenants. He claims at least one stopped paying rent before the pandemic.
The only people that we've had to evict in our business are the people that we would have had to evict anyway.
It's unclear how many non-payment eviction cases pending in Marion County are against people who can't pay rent due to COVID-19. Attorney Chase Haller believes many of the tenants' finances have been impacted by the pandemic. He and Martin are calling for additional relief efforts targeting low-income Hoosiers hurting the most.
If the city and the statewide rental assistance programs run out of money, there aren't really that many good options. We need as much funding to go towards that as possible.
The governor needs to be plain and blunt, and he needs to pursue solutions that serve specific races and communities.
We've reached out to Governor Holcomb's office for comment. We haven't heard back. Since Friday, Marion County has been averaging about 200 small claims filings each day, the majority eviction related. Before the pandemic, the county saw 32 evictions each day. The city rental assistance program remains offline tonight. Live in the studio, Julia Dang, WishTV and WishTV.com, and be sure to follow us on Facebook.